Hey y'all, this is Marie from our Okie Homestead. I wanted to talk to y'all about storm shelters. You know, we keep having all these storms, we see them all over the place, and so one way to try to keep your family safe is being able to get a storm shelter. Now, where we live, Choctaw Electric was running a deal where they'll finance a storm shelter for you. So we went ahead and took advantage of that. We're hoping to have early payoff on it though, so we don't have to worry about payments every month. There it is on the truck. Whew. That's a big truck. One heck of a pulley up there now. I'll go down in here. Oh my gosh. I like the handles. There we go. Go ahead and close it all the way. Woo, it is dark. Yeah. But yeah, I figure like bench seat across here and then bench seat across here. So we have room to come in and then be able to start sitting down and then store extra stuff under there, underneath the stairs. Extra people could actually fit under there.
Kids.
It said it's supposed to fit 14 people. I'm trying to figure out. I was going to do a search, Google search for how to decorate your storm shelter. Like what kind of paint's the best paint on concrete? You couldn't really do a wallpaper or anything because that right there, unless you made it like the border going around, which would make it look even smaller. People are doing that though so that their kids, when they're in the storm shelters, they're not as likely to freak out if it's more comfortable, more like home. Yeah, you have to kind of stand on it with one foot and then be able to push it down.
Down?
Mm-hmm. Because you can actually put a lock on it, it looks like. There you go. It needs to be greased or something. But yeah, I'm trying to think, like, even outside of this, you don't want to have to worry about, like, what's growing on this when it's all lumpy and stuff. I thought about just covering it with landscape fabric so it would kill everything that's trying to grow in it now, the weeds. And then maybe put some plants in it, do the holes and transplant some plants into it that I like. So that way it would maybe dress it up some on the outside. I've never really seen anybody do that. I've been kind of looking around, and I haven't found anything. So if y'all do, y'all let me know in the comments. We've talked about making bench seating in there so that way it's more comfortable. The lawn chairs just take up too much space when it comes to that many people. But that's going to wait till this fall because it is too hot right now to be doing much of anything outside. They run different prices depending on the size that you get. We wanted to make sure it was going to be big enough for all of us, and so we got one that's supposed to hold 14 people. So check into that because you never know. You might be able to get a hold of, if you need a storm shelter, you might be able to get a hold of somebody that does them. Some of those places will do financing themselves if you've got good credit. Finished getting this cleaned up out here. Now that the construction zone is winding down, for this part of it anyway, we'll have to get all this stuff moved because the concrete guys will have to come in and dig this out in order to put concrete here in our drains. So yeah, more work to be done for sure. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good one.